35,000 decisions we make, average human being makes in a day. It's too much for brain, right? And out of them, 95% is taken care by subconscious mind. Whether to lift this glass, how to carry this one, do I want these gold coins or not? All these decisions are done by subconscious. Only 5% is done by conscious mind. So what is the 5% of 35,000? All entrepreneurs, please give me answer. 7,500. That's too much. Sorry, 1,750. Yeah. That's still a lot, right? So what are we going to do about it? You wake up in the morning and your energy is full. Your jar is full. Brown color has nothing to do. I thought it would be a little brighter, so I just added tea powder to it. That's it. Brown has no significance here right now. Your energy is full. You wake up. That's great. That's wonderful. Hey, I'm excited. I'm going to do this thing, that thing. And then my Instagram pops up. And I see which dog has pooped, which cat is dancing, which friend had dinner at the night. Then I see, yay, I'm going to do all this work. I check old messages. Then my Instagram starts scrolling. Then what am I going to do? I'll go in LinkedIn and check. Oh my God, people have not liked my LinkedIn post. Do I repost or not? Then we go to our competitor and check their page and they say, they are getting more likes than me. They are having more views than me. What am I going to do? Let me check some songs, I'll feel better. What is the new latest release is there? And this is my condition. Is half the glass is done. All my energy has gone. But I'm still not done. I want to be on top 5%, but I want to behave like bottom 5%. I'm driving on Sheikh Zayed Road. Somebody cut across my car. I'm frustrated. I'm cursing that person. I'm cursing the entire system. Gone. I see the coffee. The office boy who has made the coffee for me, the sugar is less, and this person doesn't know even I'm the boss and I want coffee in certain way. How that person can do? I don't know. This person doesn't know me about anything. Then my secretary comes, gives a report. I asked you to bring it tomorrow. Yesterday, why you did not bring it? Gone. I'm left with only this much energy. And now I have to make critical strategic decision on which the future of my business depends. Only this much is left. That's what we are going to do. The more decisions we make, the more decision fatigue we have. And it's real. So try to minimize decision making, which is not important for your future or present. Just outsource it, give it to somebody. It's okay to live with a coffee which is little more sweet or little less sweet. It's okay. Don't shout at them. Don't waste any of your energy. Just before coming here, I was sitting there. I was not talking to anyone. Why? Because I want all my energy to be here. So I was just reserving all my energy. So you have to decide how much energy you want to put on yourself. You want to waste it with stones or you want to have the full jar to utilize that. Now, how to minimize decision fatigue? Any ideas?
Don't make decisions.
Don't make decisions. Let secretary make. It's okay. We can start another business. Yes, high five. Any other thoughts? What else can we do? Think. Routine. Yes, I love you. What's your name? Matt. Let's clap for Matt once. Routine. Set a routine. You don't have to do everything. You don't have to make choice every day. You can say, okay, every day I'm going to have avocado with toast for next 5 days. Finish. You don't have to think what breakfast should I take, what accessories should I put, what shoes I'll be wearing, or what nail pin I should put. We don't have to think about that. Another way. Any idea? Okay, let me give some clues to you. Steve Jobs. What do you give? Same outfit. Why? Because he did not want to waste time in choosing what dress should I wear. Does these shoes go with this trouser or this thing or not? So there are small things which top 5% do to minimize decision making. They have choices to buy the best range of clothes, but they are not doing it. Why? Because they want to create something like Apple. So you decide, you want to shout at someone who has cut across your car on the Sheikh Zayed Road, or your office boy or your secretary, or you want to use that to create something, some big brand like Apple. It's up to you where you want to do.